Welcome to WalterWise, smart habits for a smarter life. Let's go. Creatine? Oh, that's just for bodybuilders, right? Wrong. Creatine might be the most underrated supplement for your muscles and your brain. Let's break it down, science style. Creatine is a naturally occurring substance in your body. Your liver, kidneys, and pancreas make it every day. About 95% of it gets stored in your muscles. Its job? Helping your cells regenerate energy fast in the form of ATP. And that makes a big difference when you push your limits. So how does creatine help with training? It boosts the phosphate levels in your muscle cells. That gives your muscles more fuel during short, intense efforts. The result? You can lift more, sprint harder, and recover faster. Over time, that leads to more muscle growth because you're simply training better. Bonus effect. Your muscles store more water, which makes them look fuller and also supports performance. But creatine isn't just about muscles. Your brain uses a ton of energy, too. And creatine helps it stay sharp, especially under stress. Studies show creatine may improve mental performance in situations like sleep deprivation, heavy thinking, or low mood. It's especially helpful for people who eat little or no meat, like vegetarians or vegans. In fact, some early research suggests creatine might support brain health in conditions like depression or neurodegenerative diseases. More studies are needed, but the signs are promising. What about safety? Creatine is one of the most researched supplements in the world. Over 500 studies and no serious risks found in healthy people. It does not damage your kidneys if you're healthy. Minor side effects? Maybe mild stomach issues if you take too much or don't hydrate. So drink water and stick to the standard dose. Who should consider creatine? Not just gym rats. It can help older adults maintain muscle. It supports endurance athletes in recovery. It benefits people under mental stress. And it's smart for anyone with low dietary creatine like plant-based eaters. So how much do you need? About 3 to 5 grams per day. No loading phase needed. Just take it consistently, like brushing your teeth but for your cells. Bottom line? Creatine isn't hype. It's one of the best studied tools for performance, recovery, and possibly brain health. It won't turn you into a superhero, but it might help you show up a little stronger, sharper, and wiser. Stay wise, live smarter.